A modern business is a complex system of interlocking parts, constantly in motion. Physics dictates a simple rule for any moving system. As it grows larger and spins faster, those moving parts generate friction. We call these specific gears business operations. This diagram shows what that looks like: data pipelines processing customer information, global supply chain networks moving physical products, and internal communication arrays keeping teams aligned. If operations are the gears, capital is the energy powering them. You can trace exactly how money moves through this system by overlaying a financial flowchart directly onto the operational network. When the gears turn smoothly, the capital flows freely from one node to the next. Watch what happens when manual interventions are required. A manager has to approve a shipping manifest or reconcile a data discrepancy. The gears slow down. That friction creates a bottleneck, and the financial flow pools up, or splinters and leaks out of the pathway. A human manager processing information manually lacks the raw bandwidth to detect these micro-leaks across thousands of simultaneous data points. This operational friction creates a systemic financial vulnerability. Fixing this requires a new class of diagnostic components. We need sensors and valves that operate at the exact speed of the raw data itself. We integrate artificial intelligence into the machinery by installing specific software valves, predictive models, machine vision, and automated data routers directly into the system's architecture. Once installed, predictive AI models continuously scan the operational data pipelines. They read weather reports, port traffic, and supplier timelines simultaneously to flag a supply chain disruption before it happens. Automated routing algorithms then act as self-correcting valves. When a disruption is flagged, the system instantly redirects logistical resources to alternative pathways without waiting for a human to make the switch. Installing these algorithmic components transforms the machine. It no longer waits to react to problems, it actively prevents them. To measure the impact of these upgrades, we return to the financial energy moving through the system. This line chart tracks capital over a standard operating timeline. Without AI, we see jagged peaks of wasted capital and deep valleys of delayed revenue. Every sharp drop is a direct result of operational friction. Now we apply the AI diagnostic scan. The algorithms compress a 3-day manual data analysis process into 3 seconds, identifying the exact operational failures causing these drops. The AI intervention smooths the entire financial flow. By eliminating those friction points, it recovers the leaked capital and maintains steady operational velocity. The benefits compound immediately. Faster, automated logistics reduces time in warehouses, lowering physical holding costs. Automated internal communications reduce manual data entry and administrative follow-up, redirecting saved capital toward growth. This integration plugs financial leaks and increases overall enterprise speed. In this upgraded state, the business machine runs flawlessly. The friction is gone, and the energy flow is optimized. While a smooth financial chart is a significant byproduct, it isn't the primary goal of this efficiency. When algorithms take over the thousands of manual reconciliations and inventory checks that previously consumed a staff's workweek, that human cognitive capacity is suddenly reclaimed. This reclaimed time is the true output of the system. With the machine maintaining itself, human intelligence is liberated to focus exclusively on macro-strategic challenges and innovation. This shift creates a resilient company. It can adapt to market shocks instantly because its base operations are self-sustaining. Artificial intelligence has become the mandatory operating system for building a frictionless, future-proof business.